Welcome to 168 Neal Street, unit number 7 at the Neal Street Flats. This 2-bedroom condo offers an unbeatable combination of both value and location. With Tandem Coffee, Bramhall, Wayside Tavern, and countless other local restaurants just beyond your front door, you will have no shortage of options for satisfying your inner foodie. For those buyers that are more value-oriented, this condo offers deeded parking as well as in-unit laundry. Having both elements at this price point is a true rarity. With that being said, let's head on in and have a look.